Tell me when the video started. Alright, it's April 4th, I think, right? April 4th, what's the Friday, April 4th, time when it's like dark, right? Still virgin, still no girlfriend, but yeah. Today we're gonna learn the secrets of the universe. We're gonna learn about the Big Bang all the way to Trump being elected as president. So it all started this one day, or an explosion, 10,000, millions, billions, quadrillions, quintillion times more than the first jihad bomber. There was this explosion so big that it caused helium atoms to be created in the heat. And these helium atoms later, because of this amazing force known as gravity, would come together to create our first primordial, primal stars. These stars, later, the heat inside these stars, because of the gravity and the friction and everything, their heat would be powerful enough to create huge nuclear reactions to create the other elements. So this would be your hydrogen, your carbon, iron, oxygen, all these all the basic materials for life, which is phosphorus, carbon, oxygen, all of your other ingredients for life, all created inside the stars. But the star can only hold so much weight in it. So eventually, if you want to create the other elements of the periodic table, what do? You blow up the star, and this heat would create the rest of the items you see on the periodic table. I know what I'm saying.
So what do you do?
I do. These elements are like what you call cobalt, uranium, your
You know what elements
silver, gold. All of these were created in the explosion of the star. Eventually, this process continued, creating bigger stars and bigger stars and bigger explosions and more elements, until eventually, this dust that came from the explosion of the stars would come together to create the first planets. And this is billions of years after the Big Bang. And afterwards, one day a planet called Earth is formed. A planet called Earth.
That was so Indian.
Earth. We have Earth. What do we have?
Earth.
What do we have?
Earth.
Earth. So the first Earth is nothing like we know today. There wasn't no trees, there wasn't no nothing. It was just a lot of lava. A lot of what?
Lava.
A lot of what?
Lava.
A lot of what?
Lava.
See, I'm stalling for time here to recall my thoughts. A lot of what?
Lava.
And so eventually, it was so hot that liquid water couldn't exist on the surface of the earth. So all the H2O, the water, immediately evaporated into the sky. Eventually, because of the amazing force of gravity, which we talked about earlier, right? All this water vapor in the sky falling down as rain. It rained hard. This was like the Noah Ark level of rain. Okay, it's like God and Noah's Ark, that level of rain, and it created. No, he didn't come. No, he's been in this. He snapped and then Big Bang happened.
Oh.
Retard. He's stupid.
He banged someone in the Big Bang.
No. God did the Thanos move. God went, and we had Big Bang. Big. Where'd I leave off?
Big Bang?
No. Rain. Rain so much, Earth started to cool down. I'm not talking about the normal everyday rain you see today. I'm talking about flood rain, like rain, like rain. There was so much rain that we started getting oceans. What did we get?
Ocean.
What did we get?
Ocean.
What did we get? Oh, he's in the bathroom. Screw him. So we have.
What did we get?
What did we get from the rain?
Water.
No. We got ocean. Retarded. And so eventually, the ground under the ocean one day, because of other bullshit physics that I should have paid attention to in class, I didn't, came up and we got land. What did we get?
Land.
What did we get?
Land.
I can't hear you. What did we get?
Land.
Maybe. And so after this, a lot of the weird ass chemistry happened, and we got the first single cellular life. This single cellular life, it took the sun energy, making the photosynthesis kind of bullshit, doing all that gay shit, eating each other, the bigger cell wrapping around the smaller cell. But that's some weird ass shit, We don't want to talk about that right now. And so one day, all the cells started farting a lot. And their fart, they breathe in the carbon dioxide, right? And that fart was so much oxygen that it's their fart that we're breathing in today. That oxygen, those single cellular organisms like farted out one day. So we're breathing it right now. Like, I just breathed a bunch of farts.
You like it?
No. And so, we have single cellular life. One day, one single cellular life decided to be like an idiot. And it like ate the other single cellular life, but it didn't digest it properly. And this became the first multicellular life. What did it become?
Multicellular life.
I can't hear you. What did it
First
become?
multicellular life.
What did it become? He's getting raped. What did it become? Yeah, he's definitely getting raped. Alright. And so eventually, more gay ass evolution happened, and we got like bird and first got like fish, and the fish became like turtle and all that other gay shit, and eventually we got bird and we got dinosaur, and then one day big asteroid came and the volcano erupted and all the dinosaurs died. What happened to the dinosaur?
Died.
No. God killed them. God went like, again. And what happened to the dinosaur?
Died.
They died. How did they die?
They died.
They died. No, not because of cancer.
They
You're gonna
died.
die because of cancer. He's gonna die. So the dinosaurs, they died. After this, the mammal started taking over. And one day, one gay mammal called the primate became like human. Like human. So first, it was like, and then it evolved like this. Or like that. And that is what is happening. So this is part 1. Tune in for part 2 later. So goodbye.
Bye bye.